Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Freeyond M6 and let me share with you how to actually check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then we can enter the settings. Now in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's localize this option, so system update, and tap on it. Your device will check for the updates. We can tap on this button to do it again. And as I said, it is checking for the updates, and we can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your system is up to date and there's nothing to download. And the second scenario is where actually we've got the update to download. Your device will show you the information about it. So for example, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on install or download. And of course, your device will apply the updates to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.